Hello friends, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. This time we will learn how to knit crossed knit stitches. They are also called grandmother stitches. For the sample, I cast on 10 stitches. The needle with the cast on stitches is in our left hand. The empty needle is in the right. We slip the edge stitch onto the right needle in our favorite way. I will note that each stitch has a front wall. This is the wall that is closer to us, and the back wall, which is further from us. Now, to knit the grandmother stitches, we will knit our stitches through the back wall. How is this done? We insert the right needle into the stitch from right to left. Just like this. We pick up the working yarn from the index finger. We pull it and remove our stitch from the left needle, meaning we move the work to the right needle. Again, we insert the needle from right to left. We pick up the working yarn from the index finger, pull it. We remove the working stitch from the left needle. We move the work to the right. Once more, we insert the right needle into the stitch from right to left. We pick up the working yarn from the index finger, we pull it. We move the work to the right needle. That is, we knit our stitches through the back wall. The first row after the edge stitch is always a bit inconvenient. We knit the last edge stitch in any convenient way for you. We turn the knitting. In the next row, we also slip the first edge stitch. We knit in a similar way. That is, we move the needle into the stitch from right to left. We pick up the thread from the index finger. We pull it out and transfer everything to the right needle like this. I believe everything is simple here. The main thing is to get the hang of it, to get used to it, and everything will work out. If anyone has questions, feel free to ask me in the comments, subscribe, like the video, and we'll meet you in the next lesson. Bye bye.